In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an invoice in Zoho Books. Managing your invoices effectively is an essential part of any business, and it's equally crucial to handle situations where invoices need to be voided. This could be due to errors in the billing process, updates in sales orders, or changes in customer requirements. Whatever the reason, Zoho Books offers an efficient and straightforward process to nullify an invoice. Let's delve into how you can easily accomplish this task with a few clicks. Let's start by navigating to the Invoices section. From your Zoho Books dashboard, head over to the main menu and select Sales to access the related options. Among these, you'll find Invoices. This is your destination for managing all your issued invoices. Once you're inside the Invoices section, you'll see a list of all the invoices that you've issued so far, neatly cataloged for your convenience. If you're dealing with a large volume of transactions, you can use the search or filter options to quickly zero in on the exact invoice that you need to void. After locating the specific invoice you wish to void, click on it to open the detailed view. This page provides an overview of all the information pertinent to that particular transaction, enabling you to double-check and ensure you're voiding the correct invoice. Accuracy at this stage is crucial to prevent any unintended consequences on your accounting records. Now that you're sure you have the correct invoice, look to the top right corner of your screen for the More menu, which is represented by 3 dots. This is where Zoho Books consolidates additional functionalities relating to the invoice you are viewing, providing a clean and uncluttered interface for regular operations. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down list, select Void. You'll be prompted to provide a reason for voiding the invoice. Although it might seem like a small step, it's important because it helps maintain a record of why specific actions were taken, which is beneficial for both internal audits and customer interactions. After inputting the reasoning, you need to confirm your decision to void the invoice. Remember, voiding is a permanent action that ensures the invoice is effectively recorded as non-active without deleting the transactional history. This retains integrity in your financial records. There's an optional step here if the invoice is associated with a sales order. You can choose to dissociate the sales order at this point, which can help you maintain clear and organized sales records by ensuring that voided transactions don't have lingering ties that might affect future data interpretations. And there you have it, an efficient way to handle a void invoice within Zoho Books. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial data remains accurate and up-to-date, providing a robust foundation for your business's bookkeeping and financial analysis.